Ginger, a root that has been cherished for its unique flavor and medicinal properties for thousands of years. It's not just for cookies and gingerbread houses. While it adds a delightful zing to your holiday treats, its uses go far beyond that. This little root packs a powerful punch. From savory dishes to sweet desserts, ginger can elevate any recipe with its spicy warmth. It's a superhero in the spice world, fighting inflammation and boosting your health. Ginger tea, for instance, is a popular remedy for colds and sore throats. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Ancient cultures revered it for its healing properties, using it to treat a variety of ailments. It's like a warm hug for your body, soothing upset stomachs and easing aches and pains. A cup of ginger tea can be incredibly comforting on a cold day, and the best part? It tastes amazing. Whether grated into a stir fry or blended into a smoothie, ginger adds a burst of flavor. So, are you ready to unlock the incredible power of ginger? Embrace this superfood and discover its many benefits. Let's dive into the wonderful world of this amazing spice. From health benefits to culinary delights, ginger truly is a mighty spice. Ginger is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with good stuff like antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as tiny superheroes that fight bad guys in your body, keeping you healthy. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory. That means it can help reduce swelling and pain. Feeling a little under the weather? Ginger can help soothe your throat and ease congestion. This amazing spice can even help with muscle soreness after a workout. Ginger is like a natural healer, always ready to support your body. Feeling queasy? Ginger is a natural remedy for nausea. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or an upset stomach, ginger can help settle your tummy. Studies have shown that ginger is effective in reducing nausea and vomiting. It works its magic by blocking certain receptors in your brain that trigger those icky feelings. So, next time your stomach is feeling a little off, reach for the ginger. It's a safe and natural way to find relief. Ginger in action. Easy ways to enjoy its benefits. Adding ginger to your diet is easy and delicious. This versatile root can be incorporated into a variety of dishes and beverages, making it a staple in many kitchens around the world. You can enjoy it fresh, dried, powdered, or even as an oil. Each form of ginger offers unique flavors and benefits, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. Fresh ginger adds a zesty kick to stir fries, soups, and smoothies. Its vibrant taste can elevate the simplest of dishes, making your meals more exciting and nutritious. Grate it into sauces or marinades for a flavor boost. The grated ginger infuses your dishes with a warm, spicy essence that enhances the overall taste profile. Ginger tea is a soothing and comforting drink, perfect for any time of day. Whether you enjoy it in the morning or as a relaxing evening beverage, ginger tea can be a delightful addition to your routine. You can also find ginger in candies, chews, and capsules. These convenient forms make it easy to enjoy the benefits of ginger on the go, whether you're at work, traveling, or simply need a quick pick-me-up. Experiment and find what works best for you. With so many options available, you're sure to discover new and exciting ways to incorporate ginger into your daily life, enhancing both your meals and your well-being. Ginger 101. Dosage and precautions. While ginger is generally safe, it's always a good idea to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. For most people, up to 4 grams of ginger per day is safe. However, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, it's best to talk to your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's important to listen to yours and adjust accordingly. Listen to your body. When to take a break from ginger. While ginger is a wonderful spice with numerous health benefits, it's important to listen to your body and be mindful of any potential side effects. Ginger can be a great addition to your diet, helping with digestion, reducing nausea, and even fighting inflammation. However, like all good things, moderation is key. Some people may experience mild heartburn, diarrhea, or stomach upset when consuming ginger. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and may indicate that your body needs a break from ginger. If you notice any discomfort, reduce your intake or discontinue use. It's essential to pay attention to how your body reacts to ginger and adjust your consumption accordingly. If you find that reducing your intake doesn't help, it might be best to stop using ginger altogether for a while. Sometimes giving your body a break can help reset your system. It's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns or experience any adverse reactions. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice and help you determine the best course of action for your health. Embrace the ginger glow, a tastier, healthier you. Ginger is more than just a spice. It's a gift from nature that can enhance your health and well-being. From fighting nausea to reducing inflammation, ginger's superpowers are undeniable. So go ahead, add a little ginger to your life. Spice up your meals, sip on some ginger tea, and enjoy the incredible benefits this amazing root has to offer. Embrace the ginger glow and experience a tastier, healthier you.